Hi friends, I am in Providence, Rhode Island tonight, and I'm here for something totally magical. It's called WaterFire, and I haven't been here for a very long time. You have fire on the river, food trucks, live music, art. It's a whole vibe, so come with me and check it out. I got here just before sunset. Trust me, if you're coming, arrive early. The event is free, but people start grabbing spots along the river an hour or two before things really kick off. This event brings everyone out. It feels like the whole city is here. The lighting starts right around sunset. You'll see these volunteers in black, called fire tenders, floating up in boats, lighting each brazier one by one. And it's not quiet fire. There's music, sometimes from all over the world, playing along the river. WaterFire isn't just fire, it's this whole cultural scene. There are food trucks, local art vendors, live performers, even people in costume doing theatrical stuff by the water. So I have a little confession to make. Yeah, the food trucks here look great, they smell amazing, but just a 5-minute walk down the street was one of my favorite Rhode Island restaurants called Plant City. So naturally I had to go there. So I got some little snacks and some water to hold me over. Got some strawberry chia seed pudding and some mango overnight oats. So delicious, I can't wait to dig in. Just some quick tips if you do decide to come to WaterFire. First thing, get here early because it's going to get packed super fast. The surrounding streets will either be blocked off or down to one lane. So the easiest parking you'll be able to find is the parking garage at the Providence Place Mall. Literally, it's directly across from the river, a 30-second walk. It's super easy. Second tip is to bring a light jacket or dress in layers because once the sun goes down, it does definitely cool off by the river. Also, wear comfortable shoes because there's going to be a lot of walking on cobblestone streets. And also, before you leave your house, make sure to check the WaterFire schedule. Not every night is a full lighting. Some nights they do partial, some nights is full. Just check the schedule, it changes. There are over 80 braziers on the river, and once the fire is lit, it is wild. You have the wood smoke, the music, the way the flames reflect off of the water. I can see why people say it's one of the most beautiful outdoor art exhibits in the US. WaterFire is one of those events where time just slows down. You just breathe and take it in. The music, the food, the people. It's more than what you see. It's something that you feel. It's kind of like a meditation and a party at the same time. If you're ever near Rhode Island during WaterFire season, do not miss this. Seriously. It's free, it's beautiful, and it's one of the coolest things I've done all year. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on my night here. If you like this video, hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you would like to come to WaterFire or if you've already been. And hit that subscribe button for more hidden gems and cultural experiences. Until then, travel safe and stay curious. Bye!